Hi, today we will learn about the phrasal verb go up against somebody. It means to face or compete with someone. You can use it in sports, business, or any competition. For example, we will go up against the best team tomorrow. Remember, go up against is inseparable. You cannot say go against up. Always say go up against somebody. It shows a direct challenge or competition. You can say she went up against her friend in the debate, or the company went up against big rivals. It is common in both formal and informal English. Be careful not to split the phrasal verb. Also, don't use it with things that are not opponents. Think of it as a way to say face off or compete. Try using it when talking about contests or fights. For example, they go up against each other every year. Now practice with a friend or write your own sentence. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.